What you want to do is go to freeconferencecall.com. Once there, you can create an account with Facebook or just create a new account, and you do that by entering your email and create a password for yourself, and then click Create Free Account. And so it should take you to your dashboard. What you'll want to do at this point, if you want to host a meeting, is click on Host Meeting. And before you actually begin the meeting, you'll click on the Invite button and copy this information to your clipboard. This is the information that you'll send to your students. You can send it to them via email or an announcement through Canvas. So that's the information they'll need. So let's just send that. And so at this point, if they want to actually join the online meeting, they can go to this link and they can join the audio through the computer, or they can call in with this number and this access code. And if they just want to call in and not even go to the site online, they can call in and listen to what you have to say. So once you send that information, you will start the meeting by clicking on Host Online Meeting. And if you have the software already downloaded, it will prompt you here. And if you don't, it will ask you to download it. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so at this point, you can either start the meeting and do computer audio, or if you've already dialed in, you press that on your phone to sync. You can go on in.
Welcome. This service is provided by Freeconferencecall.com. You are the only participant in the conference.
And this is the start of the meeting.